if I give you a question, I have a force which is 200 Newton, 100 Newton towards east, and this is force F1. And there is another force which is towards west, north, which is also 100 Newton. You have to tell me what will be, this is F2 force. What will be the resultant force, net force? Quick. What is F1 plus F2? How do you add these two forces? करिए इसे कोशिश करिए. They are mutually perpendicular. One is towards the x-axis, towards east, and one is towards north. ये north है और ये east है. और कभी भी ये कन्वेंशन है कि राइट डायरेक्शन को ईस्ट लेते हैं तो ये हो गया वेस्ट, और ये नॉर्थ है ऊपर तो नीचे हो गया साउथ. इज ऑलवेज पॉइंटिंग टुवर्ड्स ईच अदर. ये फिजिक्स में कन्वेंशन है. दिस इज हाउ वी ड्रॉ द डायरेक्शंस. ईस्ट वेस्ट नॉर्थ. So there is a force which is 100 Newton towards east. There is another force which is 100 Newton towards north. They both are acting on the same body. ये लीजिए ऐसे ले लेता है. ये बॉडी है, ये पॉइंट मास है. इस पे ये फोर्स भी लग रही है इधर 100 न्यूटन, और ये फोर्स इधर लग रही है. नाउ प्लीज टेल मी which method will you use after seeing this slide? Quick. Parallelogram or triangle? Parallelogram. दोनों की टेल्स ऑलरेडी एक जगह रखी हैं. हमसे मेहनत क्यों करवाती है हमें शिफ्ट करने की और टेल को हेड पे रखने की? ऑलरेडी रखी है दोनों की टेल्स एक जगह. So both are same essentially. Sometimes when you have a given situation where something is already told, you will quickly apply that. Okay? So it is already, I am saying, they both are acting on the same point, same mass, and this is the point. Already their tails are kept together. So I will complete the parallelogram. This diagonal will represent, not this diagonal. Understand this also. चाहे ट्राइंगल में करो चाहे पैरेललोग्राम में करो, the first tail that you have drawn in paper to the last head you have drawn, वहां से शुरू करना फर्स्ट टेल से. ठीक. यहाँ पे तो दोनों की टेल्स एक जगह है, यहाँ से शुरू करेंगे. ये वाला डायगोनल will represent a plus b, and how much will it be? This is 90 degrees. So can you tell me if this is 100, this is 100, this will be how much? ये quick. 100 to 2. Pythagoras theorem नहीं आता है. You have done Pythagoras theorem? Have you done Pythagoras? Yes. 100 Pythagoras theorem 90 degree है. 100, 100. This will be 100 root 2. So the answer, either you will write net force F1 plus F2 will be resultant force will be. दो तरीके हैं लिखने के resultant को. One is 100 I cap plus 100 j cap. One is this. Still you have written it with direction and you are telling horizontal component here, vertical. You vector form I j k. Okay. If it is a one-dimensional thing, I cap. If it is a two-dimensional thing, I in j. If it is a three-dimensional thing, I cap, j cap, k cap. You will have three different directions. Now, so ये resultant force होगी. There is another method to write the same force. You will tell the magnitude. The magnitude of the resultant is कितनी? 100 root 2. And the resultant makes an angle theta with the horizontal direction. That theta will be how much? Quick. Tan theta will be this side divided by this side. This is 100, this is 100, 100 upon 100 is 1. So theta will be equal to 45 degrees. So this is another way of saying the same thing. So you can specify कि भाई जो resultant vector आया वो resultant vector की direction ये है, as shown in the figure, and it is making an angle theta with the x direction. Theta is 45 degrees and magnitude is this much. So you can represent the resultant vector this way or this way. Both are allowed unless specified कि मुझे तो भाई ऐसे ही अगर पूछा जाए कि tell me the angle तब आपको ये करना है. If he tells you just tell me the vector, resultant vector, you have both the options. If he tells you I want the resultant vector in terms of I cap j cap, then you have this option.